Welcome back, I guess, to Beamer Bandit. Yeah, I'm so used to saying welcome back to Richuals, but right now you're tuning into the new channel. So welcome to Beamer Bandit. Rebranded, ready to go. This channel is strictly about my BMW M2 and BMW content, accessories, things of that nature. Just car content only. So this channel is strictly for my car enthusiasts. So if you're coming over from the other channel, which is Richuals, I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming over. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Turn the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post new videos based strictly off car content. So with today's video, just kind of want to get you guys acquainted with myself. Just kind of want to get you guys acquainted with what the channel's about. The first video coming up, I'm going to be discussing the install of this right here, which is a phone mount. So yeah, anybody interested in getting a phone mount, I'm going to put the link in the description below. I'm going to show you guys how it works, how to install it, my thoughts on it, and yeah, and that'll be it. So this is the first video of Beamer Bandit. There's a couple other videos I uploaded before, but this is the first official video for Beamer Bandit. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button one more time, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so that's the installation. That's what it looks like. This was easy, but it wasn't that easy. I wanted you guys to see if there's little screws like right here, and you had to take this little wrench and you had to tighten it up. At first I didn't think it was going to fit. Once you kind of put it in there, kind of push this up a little bit, not much, but just a little bit, kind of put it there where it kind of sits there for a little while, and then you tighten those screws, and then it kind of clamps on both sides is what it does. So it's 4 screws and you kind of clamp on both sides. So now let's test the magnet aspect. Alright, so guys, this is the new phone case I ordered. Like I said, I still have this. I just wanted to try this one out just in case if I ever want to put my phone up here, so I have both options. If I wanted to charge it this way, I could also put the USB cord up to the phone, of course, to charge the phone. But this is the phone case. I didn't want to put a magnet on the back of my phone, so I got a phone case that already had a ring magnet on the inside. And also, just so you guys can check out this phone case in case you're interested, I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so when you're clicking on a link and you're shopping, you are helping me out. Just to give you guys that disclaimer, it is an affiliate link. So yeah, but this is the case. As you see, it has carbon fiber around the accents and a clear backing. It's meant for the iPhone 11. They also have them for the iPhone 11 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as well as other brands. So if you're interested, click that link below and get you a new phone case. All right, okay. But back to the topic at hand. Here's the mount. Also, I'll leave the link in the description below for that phone mount. And yeah, that's what it looks like completed. Here's the phone. That's the metal ring. Goes right there. Bam. As you can see, fits very nicely. So yeah, got that on there. Looks real good, as you can see. Nice and flush. It can also go sideways, like such. Feels real sturdy. I'll give you guys a full review on another video to see how long it withholds after I had it for a while. But right now, it looks pretty sturdy. Looks pretty good up there. Yeah, everything's good to go. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching the new channel, Beamer Bandit. Please hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was just a simple installation of the phone mount that goes here. Like I said, link in the description below. Click that link in the description below to get your phone mount. And also, if you want a new phone case, I'll put the link in the description below for that one. Thank you guys once again for watching. Give this video a big old thumbs up. And appreciate you guys from joining the channel. Also, if you want money tips, sneaker reviews, and car content involving other car brands, go ahead to my other channel, which is Richuals, and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and go watch those videos. There's more videos on that channel. And but once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in and being supportive. Y'all have a great day. Peace.